So in my infinite wisdom, I went to my first auction today, and let me show you what I bought. I bought this year unknown Hyster, I think it's like a H50XL. Picked her up for $1,250. Sorry about the generator there. The old Cummins Chinese generator. So we're gonna get the battery charged up. I put a new one in it, new old. And we'll see if I bought a piece of scrap iron or if I can move stuff. So we'll find out here in a bit. Right, I got this thing charged up a little bit, so I'm gonna see what happens. Turn the propane on here. I hear propane. And then I'm gonna set the camera down to crank on. Now, to be fair, I don't have like super high hopes for this because it's sat for like 10 years, but let's make sure we're neutral here. And let's give her a chance. No fucking way. There's no way. Come on, dude, I can't fucking believe that. It runs. All right, let's see if she moves under her own power. I'm so stoked. So this forklift has a stuck hydraulic valve, and I don't condone what I'm gonna do, but I think I'm gonna put a punch on it and just give the spool some love taps and see if she'll free up, because maybe you know, it's been setting for 10 years, so maybe that's all it needs. We'll find out. So we've got an old steel rod here. Put on a flashlight so I can halfway see what I'm doing, maybe. Alright. Get kind of a look. So I think maybe she just needs a little love, you know. We'll find out real quick. And I think it definitely moved. Oh, what? No way. She's definitely sticky. So let's fire this thing up and see if the old lift works on it. Alright, so I guess technically this would be a cold start video because I haven't ran her today. Oh. Give her some gas. Whoops! Guess what? She works. probably the best purchase I ever made. Well, until next time, I think, you know, we're going to clean this thing up. We're going to oil it, going to replace all the fluids and do some maintenance because, you know, it has sat for 10 years, but at least everything works in it now. That's a win.